Hi guys, it's me again, your one and only Mtati Mpundu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content every week. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you guys. You can't go at Siawan's neck and still have a career after. Trust me, believe me. Siawan has always said that he doesn't know what fear looks like. He fears nobody. When he wants to say something, he'll just say it.
I don't fear. Interviewer, I don't know what fear look like because I don't have a heart.
And above all, Siawan also has always said that he doesn't like people to look for his trouble, because when he gives them trouble, their generation suffers over it. In this video session, I have a video for you guys, and in this video session, it's actually what happens when you mess with Siawan, the Jagaban. More in the video. Here is Siawan, the Jagaban himself in the video.
Somebody wrote me about Honorable Chomba Kaoma. Honorable Chomba Kaoma was insulting you. You know, this is why I don't like people to look for my trouble, because when I give you trouble, your generation suffers over it. Chomba Kaoma has been looking for my attention. He called himself Honorable Chomba Kaoma. He has been looking for my attention. Anytime I'm live, he will come here and comment a lot of things. He call me cheap magician. He call me this. He call me that. You know, I don't look for people's trouble. But when you look for my trouble, you find it. Chomba Kaoma, when I was in Zambia there, he came to me crying. By Twin Palm Mall there, he came to me crying. See, my marriage is about to be destroyed. My marriage is about to be scattered. Chomba Kaoma. I said, what is wrong? He said that my penis is very small. Somebody whose penis, you need to use a microscope before you are able to see his penis. Such a person is making noise when men are talking. A man that doesn't have a penis, his wife is only there in the marriage because he's able to buy flour and take to the wife where she's working. He's able to. The wife is just there because he's able to afford flour and afford shoe and afford clothes for her. Sex, there is nothing because there is no penis. He came to me, said, "Papa, help me enlarge my penis," and I refused to help him. Up to now, there is no penis there. Somebody like that can come and insult Siawan. When men are talking, Chomba Kaoma will come and talk. For what? I'm talking to men. I'm talking to guys. I'm not talking to somebody that you still need a microscope to if you want to see his penis, you need a microscope. Something small like a finger of a baby. That's what you want to come and talk when Siawan is talking. You want to provoke me. And you know that you came to me to look for help. I don't like this rubbish. You know, I don't entertain idiots. When I'm talking, I don't talk to fools. I'm talking to the government. You know, when men are talking, Chomba shouldn't be talking. Chomba Kaoma shouldn't be talking. Somebody that doesn't have a penis, you call yourself a man. What are you talking about? What do you want? All those ladies that he talk about this one, that he can only buy a woman, I buy you this, I buy you that, because he cannot do the rest of the things. There is no penis there. Somebody that doesn't have a penis want to come and talk when Siawan is talking. What are you talking about? Chomba Kaoma, you know, be very, very quiet. I'm talking to men. I'm not talking to somebody that don't have a penis. You know, in my culture in Nigeria, people like you, they hide. They hide themselves. They don't come in public, because when it's time for men to perform the reason why they are men, you will be nowhere to be found. Because there is nothing there. You don't have a penis. You want to make noise. You want to come and call me cheap magician. What are you talking about? Of course, I don't talk to fools. You know, I talk to people that, you know, I talk to important people. Somebody who go to and everywhere you want to take. Anywhere opportunity he sees the president, he want to take picture just to show that I know the president. And so what? If you know the president, women don't want money always. You know the president, I'm close to the president. You are not even close to the president. Edgar Lungu is not that stupid to bring people like you and the Cry baby together. It's just that sometimes you have opportunity to take picture with him and you want to show that I'm close to the president. You're close to the president, you don't have a penis. Then what is the benefit? All this money that we are looking for, is it not when we get money, what are we going to eat money? We still need to do, and you don't have the tools to do. Then what are you looking for money and fame for? Sit down. You know, your wife is even good. Your wife, I wish you married a Nigerian. By now, believe me, she would have thrown you out of the house. You know, life is not all about buying flour and give it to Z Gossip to post for you. I take flour to my wife. How about bedroom? Bedroom is more important than anything. You came to me crying. See, I want help me. I want my dick to be increased. I want to have a dick because there is nothing there. It's flat, very small like this. Eh? Please come ask me your question. Papa, you don't look good when you're upset. Of course, it's some idiot that like making me upset. Me, when I come here, I don't look for people's trouble. I talk about important things, you know. I talk about things that pertains the country. But some idiots who are not even men want to come here and jump up and down.
Alright, that's all for you today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the video you just watched in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you guys. Once again, I go by the name of Mtati Mpundu. I love you. Peace. I gotta go.